In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use GoHighLevel for real estate agents. So if you have an agency and you work with real estate agents, or maybe you are a real estate agent yourself and you want to optimally use GoHighLevel to get more leads and ultimately more customers and serve them better as well, then this video is perfect for you. So real estate is one of the best use cases for GoHighLevel, and it's also one of the easiest to sell to tons of agents because pretty much every agent wants more leads and automations with that. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what you can do with it. Now first, if you have not yet created your GoHighLevel account, usually they offer a 14-day free trial. Through the link in the description, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial. Now after signing up, what you want to go and do is just switch to your agency view and then go to sub accounts in the left menu. From there, go to create sub account, and now what you want to do is select a snapshot for real estate. So the great thing about GoHighLevel, and specifically for real estate, they already have snapshot templates specifically built for them. So if you just search for real estate, you want to go and pick the real estate agent one and then click select and continue. Now here enter the details of the business you are working with. I already have one, so I'm just going to select that one. Now after you first do that, you then get to the Launchpad. Now in the Launchpad you get the setup guide. So you have the foundational setup, sales and conversations, and website and monetization. I recommend going through this. So for example, the book more appointments with automated scheduling, nurturing leads with automated drip campaigns, and it wants you to connect certain things, such as importing your contacts, streamline your Facebook and Instagram conversations, setting up multi-channel communication, and in website, you can launch your website, launch your first product, start collecting payments. Now, if you just want to use GoHighLevel to run ads to a funnel, or even to import your Facebook lead form details into GoHighLevel, then set up automations for them, where you convert them into actual appointments, then I'll also show you how to do that. So there are 7 things that I'll go over for how you can use GoHighLevel for real estate agents. First, you can do lead capture and funnels. So to do that, just go to sites right there, and then it will take you to funnels. Now, since you selected the snapshots for real estate agents, it will already have a funnel loaded in, or 2 actually. They have the offer one and the services. So if you go to the services funnel, you can see what this one is all about. So this is more of an informational page where it shows you what you do or what the real estate agent does. And that is great as a more general website. But if you want to actually get leads, then I would recommend doing some kind of an offer. So you can see real estate offer right here. And if we open up this one, you can see this is an offer right here. So click below to claim your offer, and then you can just type in whatever kind of offer the real estate agent is willing to offer. So for example, claim your free consultation, claim your free home value appraisal, something like that. And then when they click claim your, they will enter their full name, email and phone, or you could for example have them book an appointment or something like that. Now you can see it looks very professional and it's very easy to customize. You can just go to edit right there, and it's just a drag and drop editor where you can just upload your logo, change any text you want, add any other sections that you want to add in, and whatever else you want to add. So then what you can do is just run Facebook ads or whatever type of ads you run to that funnel, and then people will enter their information because they are getting something for free. And you can see the second step in this funnel is a consultation appointment. So after they enter their details, they will then get the option to book in an appointment. And the great thing is when they just enter their details, they will be entered into your GoHighLevel account. And if you now go to automation, you will see that they have the marketing workflows already loaded in. For example, the new lead nurture. So when somebody does the claim offer form submission or Facebook lead form submitted, then a new opportunity will be created. They will be added to the long-term nurture workflow. An email and SMS will be sent to them. So you can see those right here. Thanks for claiming our offer, first name. And then you can customize the email if you want. And it will wait for a reply. And did they contact? If yes, do this. If no, do this. And doing this, so the fast 5, that's what this is called, basically ensures that they get reached out to very quickly after entering their details and you don't miss any opportunities. Next, what you can use GoHighLevel for real estate agents are the CRM and pipeline management. So if you go into the opportunity section, what you can do is create a pipeline. I already have one here since I selected again the snapshot, which I recommend you do too. So you then have a new lead section. These are called stages: hot lead, new booking, visit attended, sale, and left a review. Now you can manually add opportunities, but you can also have the automations. Again, what I just showed you, for example, when they submit the lead form, then they will be added as a new lead automatically. If they reply, they may be moved to the hot lead section, and if they've booked in an appointment, they will be new booking. So the value of this is that agents finally have one place to manage every buyer or seller instead of sticky notes or spreadsheets. Then next, you can use GoHighLevel for automated follow-ups. So you can do SMS, email, and voicemail drops. So for example, you can do an automated text when a lead requests info. So you can also create your website on GoHighLevel. You don't have to do this. You can also, for example, add a conversational bot to your already existing website, but you don't have to. But you can see they already have the website loaded in here. You can also create a new one if you want, if you don't like this one. But basically you can set up a sequence of automated messages, which is also the Fast 5 automation that I just showed you, but you can also set up your own if you want. Now it also has workflows loaded in for appointment confirmation and reminders, appointment no-shows. When a new sale is made, it will send a review request. So if you're wondering how it knows when a new sale is made, what you want to do is in the opportunities, always update your leads. So when they have bought something from you, you can just move them to the sale section. And then in the automation, it knows that, okay, now I need to send a review request. And you also have the long-term nurture for if they don't respond. And you have stale leads for if they haven't responded for a very long time. So you can see the stale leads one, for example, if they have been booked for 7 days, if they have been triggered for 7 days, then the update opportunity status to abandoned. And the long-term nurture, you can see this is just a very long-term nurture. It waits 7 days in between 4 different emails, where you will increase the likelihood of someone converting, even if they haven't shown any interest for weeks. Now next, what you can do with GoHighLevel is the appointment booking and calendar syncing. So if you already have some kind of a booking system, you can replace it with GoHighLevel. Again, you don't have to, but it will be easier because then it works seamlessly with all of your other automations and the GoHighLevel features. So you can do that by simply going to calendars right here. And then what you can do is go to calendar settings, and then you can set your availability, your preferences, the type of appointments you have. For example, investor networking is a 1-hour meeting, which is a service. Now you can also just have the schedule an appointment, which is 30 minutes. You can do property sourcing, assignment of contracts, and property analysis. And you will see if you click share calendar and just go and copy the scheduling link and open this in a new tab, then this is what it looks like. So it looks pretty much like every other scheduler. They can select a day, a time frame, and then they need to enter their details. Now you can also customize what it looks like, but I won't go into that in too much detail in this video because then it would be hours long. But what you can do is just set your availability. You can connect it to, for example, your Google Calendar. You can connect your video conferencing tool, and you can set any other preferences that you want right there. Now, GoHighLevel also has AI agents. So for example, Conversation AI, which is an AI chatbot you can add to your existing website or to your GoHighLevel funnel, or for example, just to talk to people who message you. And you can do that by going to conversations. Here, just connect your phone number and email, and then you have a unified inbox for all of your messages. Now, the fifth thing that you can use GoHighLevel for real estate agents, which I think is one of the best ones, is for reputation and referrals. So you can do review requests. So what you want to do is go into the reputation section here, and then here connect your Google business profile. Or for example, if you want to collect reviews on Trustpilot, you can also do that. Then you can configure the reviews AI, which is basically an AI that automatically sends review responses. Now you also have the suggestive one, which helps you articulate review responses. So you can also respond to reviews in here. Then the review link, you just want to add the link to wherever you want to collect the reviews. And there are a few more things you want to go and do to set this up, such as sending a review request, setting up the link, creating a widget. And you can also connect more platforms, such as Airbnb, Booking.com, but most of these won't be needed. But for example, you can also connect with Zillow. Now you can also automate this, so they already have a loaded in automation, which you can see is the send review request. So when an opportunity status changed to 1, they will be removed from the workflow and sent a review request email and SMS, and you can basically see what that looks like right here. Now what you can also do with GoHighLevel for a real estate agent is the ad campaign integration, so for Facebook and Google Ads. So what you can do is if you're on Facebook ads and you capture a lead with a Facebook lead form, you can automatically upload them into your pipeline and let them go through all of the automations. So to connect to your Facebook and or Google Ads, what you want to do is go to settings in the left menu. Here scroll down a little bit and then go to integrations. Now I would recommend just looking through this because there is a lot of interesting stuff to do here. But for example, here you can also connect your Google Calendar, and what you can do is connect your location's Google account, and here auto sync ad leads, manage DMs, and respond to reviews and comments all across your Facebook pages and Instagram handles. So you can also connect those right there. Then you can connect QuickBooks, for example, if you use it, or Wave. You can connect LinkedIn, WhatsApp. And basically, if you want to use, for example, the unified inbox for all of your messages and emails, then here you want to connect your WhatsApp if you use that for your business, as well as your DMs from Instagram and Facebook, and everything else that you use. Now finally, what you can do is database reactivation. So if you've just landed a real estate client and they have a huge database of people that are inactive and never bought, for example, then if they can just upload that into GoHighLevel, what you can do is use the campaign right here by going to automation and then marketing workflow and then the long-term nurture. You can just add those people in here and then you can send them email every, for example, 7 days. So then instead of cold calling, agents can just reheat their database on autopilot. You can also set up your own workflow if you want. You don't have to use the templates. It's all very simple. You can also build using AI if you want. But there's so much more you can do with GoHighLevel, even specifically for real estate agents. But those are the 7 main things that I would do first. So now you know how you can capture leads, how you can manage your pipeline, how you can automate follow-ups, how you can book appointments, how you can get reviews, how you can connect and run ads on Facebook and Google with GoHighLevel, and how you can reactivate your database. So GoHighLevel for real estate agents is definitely worth it in my opinion, and it replaces a bunch of different tools. Now again, if you would like to get the extended 30-day free trial instead of their usual 14 days, you can go and claim that through the link down in the description. So that concludes this tutorial on how to use GoHighLevel for real estate agents. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.